Welcome to 5 Minute Friday, everybody, where we share our best tips and tricks to help you get just a little bit better every day. We are starting a resolutions series. So all throughout the month of January, we're going to be talking about one single thing that we feel should be kind of a New Year's resolution for the whole industry. So Eddie, what's up first?
The first thing's got to be communicate. We're going to make a resolution to communicate. This comes up in our show way too often not to be the resolution that we go to first.
Yes. Yeah. I mean, we just talked about that today in an episode we recorded. Like, guys, communication is the biggest part of our industry. Without it, nothing gets done. We need to get better at it. As an entire industry, we really, really suck. And I'm not saying that we need to implement a new app or I'm literally talking about just being able to pick up the phone and call somebody, or, hey, let's just get better at typing emails that are more clear, something that is a yes or no answer rather than a rambling rampage, all caps mess. Like, we have got to do some work on how we actually talk to each other.
That's right. A good resolution at its core is just kind of an adventure in self-awareness.
Yeah.
You realize something about yourself that you want to improve. You make a goal, you go after it.
Yeah.
We need to improve the way we communicate. Be self-aware. Okay? If you are somebody that over-communicates, well then let's try to use less words this year.
Yeah.
In your email. If you are somebody who under-communicates, come out of your shell. Pick up the phone. If you struggle to hide behind typed words, you need to pick up the phone. If you struggle to document things, maybe you need to lean into how you document things.
Yeah.
Communicate well. This is the difference maker in projects.
Oh, yeah.
Your ability to move a project, to move through RFI, coordination, trouble with other subcontractors, trouble with getting paid, whatever it is, your ability to communicate and come to terms is the thing that will move you forward. This is a good resolution. We're calling you to have some purpose here. Think about it and do better.
It takes practice, for sure.
Yes, it does.
It does take practice. I have gotten better at communication over the years. I am still not great at it, though. Like, I have my moments.
And you'll forever improve here.
And we will forever improve upon this. But this is something that we should all just, again, like you said, we're calling it out. We're just saying we got to be mindful of this, and we have to do better. If we want to move the industry forward in any way, we have to do better at it. So there you go. There's the first one. Can't wait to get to next week, though, because that's also a really, really good one.
Here we go.
All right, guys, go build something awesome.